Hey, my friends, check it out. This is a Sierra Luxury 391 FLRB fifth wheel from Forest River. And I'm Craig Howard from Happy Camper RV. Let's take a look at this awesome fifth wheel. Jumping right in, you see a solar controller there. Got some panels up top. Right here is your docking station for your water hookups. Check out this awesome outdoor storage. You're gonna see the floor plan when we go inside is elevated in the back, and so it gives a lot of space for some really cool storage solutions back here. This drawer is super neat, 800-pound capacity. Load that thing up, slide it in. And then a big compartment back here, accessible from all three sides. Just having those doors on all three sides helps you utilize that space so well. You know, if there was just the door on the back or just on the sides, there's inevitably going to be parts that you can't reach. And so the extra doors make it really nice to utilize all that space. Nice outdoor space right here for cooking. You got water plumbed out there, a fridge, and some storage. Look at these wheels and tires. Those are Goodyear tires. And a little bit more storage right here. Check it out. So this Sierra fifth wheel is 43 feet 6 inches long. Oh, look at this right here. There's the control. It's got 6-point hydraulic auto level. Look at the underside. Of course, that's got an enclosed underbelly. The auto level is so cool. Turn that thing on and press a button. About a minute later, and it's got itself perfectly level. This isn't a small fifth wheel. It's about 13,000 pounds dry weight. Hitch weight, 2,560 pounds. So you're probably looking at a 1 ton to pull it. Let's go inside and check it out. Right as you come in, kitchen area with a nice dining table there. Island in the middle. Really big double door fridge and freezer. And turn right when you walk in the door, step up a few steps, and you've got a nice living room here. Love seats on 3 sides, TV up front. I love this. The TV is on a lift mechanism. On a lot of front living fifth wheels, we see just a totally enclosed, built-out entertainment center. Not on the Sierra. With that TV that goes up and down, it allows them to put a window in there. Super cool. Let's look back at the kitchen area here from up above. The very first time I saw this floor plan, I thought this was a pantry right here, and I was a little bit surprised, and I think it's pretty cool that it's actually a half bath. Just a look at some of the storage here. The Sierra 391 FLRB is 13.5 feet high. 96 inches wide, has a 50-gallon fresh tank, 104-gallon gray tank, and 52-gallon black tank. Look at that storage there. Maybe that's pantry space for you. Really deep. Here's a look inside the fridge and freezer. Little vacuum built on board. That's always cool. And here's a look at the control panel. You can actually put an app on your phone and control a lot of the functions of this camper right from your phone. One more look at the kitchen, and you can kind of see the living area up there too in the background. And let's turn into the bedroom. This is a king-size bed here. I guess I should have made the bed. Got nice closets there. And then into the bathroom here. So this is cool. You go through the bedroom to get to the master bath. Just kind of creates a suite feel here. Behind this door, we're prepped for a washer and dryer. If you don't have a washer and dryer, it's excellent hanging space. And then an awesome shower. Nice bench built into that. Dual sinks right there. Giant mirror on that back wall, by the way. Notice that thing. And then more storage. I think a lot of time when you're in this fifth wheel, it feels more like you're in a home. I like this non-traditional design. We've seen a couple people copy this, and I think we're going to see more of it in the future. It's a really cool layout and really well executed by Sierra. I'm always impressed with their quality. Let's take one more look at it from the outside. This is the Sierra 391 FLRB.